Hey Lily. Hey Lily. I'm just sending you through an update for Active Campaign. So this is the program that we've set up the lead form to connect up to. I've added yourself and the info at anytime service admin as users for it. So you should both have an email from Active Campaign to asking you to join. If you don't, the login will just be your email and password. I think I've set it up as so for both of them. If it hasn't come through, let me know and I'll resend them. But anyway, you probably won't need to jump into this too often because I've just set it up that any leads that come through, if you go over here to lists, I've connected it up so the Facebook lead form inquiry list. So anyone who fills out the lead form will then land in here. Um, and I've automated that email to go out, the one that you shared with me. So that's it, just there. So it'll just be a thank you, and then a quote of what the actual questions were on the lead form. I've set it up as well, so use anytime someone joins one of those lists, the you should get notified to the info at anytime service email. So that's all set up, ready to go. The lead form's been running since last week. Nothing's come through just yet on it. Um, so I'm going to do a little bit of work today on it. I'm going to play around with the audience and the targeting just to make it a little bit more targeted. So um, let me know if you don't have access to the Active Campaign account, and I will double check. But it should all be set up and it's working for you guys now. So any questions, let me know. Thank you.